Mm-mm.
Halo. Hari ini kita akan menyanyi lagu Kasih Ibu.
Yang mana lagunya?
Kasih Ibu.
Coba nyanyi bareng yuk.
Kasih Ibu kepada beta tak terhingga sepanjang masa, hanya memberi tak harap kembali, bagai sang surya menyinari dunia.
Bentar, ganti lagunya yang apa?
Iya, kasih Ibu kepada beta tak terhingga sepanjang.
Jangan yang itu lah, jelek.
Kasih Ibu kepada beta tak terhingga sepanjang masa, hanya memberi tahap kembali, bagai sang surya menyinari dunia. Kasih Ibu kepada beta tak terhingga sepanjang masa, hanya memberi tahap kembali, bagai sang surya menyinari dunia. Kasih Ibu kepada beta tak terhingga sepanjang masa, hanya memberi tahap kembali, bagai sang surya menyinari dunia.
Apa lagi? Meow. Apa itu?
Lagu yang itu nih,
Yang
tunggu
mana?
ya. Bek nyariin dulu yang ini.
Yang ini?
Mm-mm.
Ini mah bukan lagu.
Apa dong?
Video biasa. Coba jadi sekarang lagi nyanyi lagu ini.
Yang keluar malah orang.
And Michael Jackson. Siap.
Sama-sama.
Take flight.
Nyanyi lagu apa?
Ben.
In the two of us
feel no more. We both found what we were looking for. With a friend to call my own, I'll never be alone. And you, my friend, will see you've got a friend in me. Ben, you're always running here and there. Feel you're not wanted anywhere. If you ever look behind and don't like what you find, there's something you should know. You've got a place to go. I used to say I and me. Now it's us. Now it's we. I used to say I and me. Now it's us. Now it's me. Then most people would turn you away. I don't listen to a word they say. They don't see you as I do. I wish they would try to. I'm sure they'd think again if they had been like me. Like this, like
Ambilkan bulan.
Let's start this party.
100% itu.
Apa tuh judul lagunya?
Lagunya Rock and Roll.
Ambilkan bulanmu, ambilkan bulanmu yang selalu bersinar di langit. Di langit bulan bendera, cahayanya sampai ke bintang. Ambilkan bulanmu untuk menerangi tidurku yang lelap di malam gelap. Ambilkan bulanmu, ambilkan bulanmu yang selalu bersinar di langit. Di langit bulan bendera, cahayanya sampai ke bintang. Ambilkan bulanmu untuk menerangi tidurku yang gelap di malam gelap. Ambilkan bulanmu, ambilkan bulanmu yang selalu bersinar di langit. di langit bulan benderang, cahayanya sampai ke bintang. Ambilkan bulanku untuk menerangi tidurku yang lelap di malam gelap. Di langit bulan benderang, cahayanya sampai ke bintang. Ambilkan bulanku untuk menerangi tidurku yang lelap di malam gelap.
If you manage a team, you should be using Monday.com. It's a platform to manage any team and any project.
Apa yang ku berikan untuk mama tersayang. Aku miliki sesuatu berharga untuk mama tercinta. Hanya ini ku nyanyikan, senandung dari hatiku untuk mama. Hanya sebuah lagu sederhana, lagu cintaku untuk mama. Apa yang ku berikan untuk mama tersayang. Aku miliki sesuatu berharga untuk mama tercinta. Hanya ini ku nyanyikan, senandung dari hatiku untuk mama. Hanya sebuah lagu sederhana, lagu cintaku untuk mama.
Dulu ya, si Bek tadi balik pulang. Bek ini dulu lagunya apa, Bek? Rock and roll apa? Oh, 100% hanya. Oh, ini dia. Ada di sini. Kita nyanyi ya. Siap ini. Benar. Oke, siap.
Ada habisnya bicara rock and roll, ada matinya bicara rock and roll. Andai kau lepas semua bajuku di dalam janganku yang juga rock and roll. Tangan kiriku ada rock and roll, di tangan kananku ada rock and roll, kedua kakiku ada rock and roll, di dalam tubuhku semua rock and roll. 100% hanya rock and roll. 100% hanya rock and roll. Yeah, your body cool. Dalam aku berkali rock and roll. Dalam jantungku berdetak rock and roll. Dalam hatiku berdetak rock and roll. Silakan saja kalau kau mau pergi, jangan ganggu aku dengan cinta palsu.
Oke, terima kasih Ibek, rocker kita.
Enggak makan. Mau makan tapi nggak lapar.
Oh, nggak lapar. Tapi Bibi nanyain. Ya, sebentar. Sekarang Devanka menyanyi lagu apa? Tomorrow bisa.
Lagu Totoro ya.
Totoro.
Kan, tomorrow. Nah, itu dia.
Oh iya.
The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun.
Oh, this one.
The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun. Just thinking about tomorrow clears away the cobweb and the sorrow till there's none. When I'm stuck with a day that's gray and lonely, I just look out my chin and breathe and say, come out tomorrow, so you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Come what may, tomorrow, I love ya. Tomorrow, you're always a day away. The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun. Just thinking about tomorrow, there's a way to conquer that sorrow till there's none. When I'm stuck with a day that's gray and lonely, I just stick out my chin and grin and say, oh, the sun will come out tomorrow, so you gotta hang The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun. Just thinking about tomorrow clears away the cobwebs and the sorrow till there's none. When I'm stuck with a day that's gray and lonely, I just stick out my chin and grin and say, the sun will come out tomorrow, so you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Come what may, tomorrow, tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, you're always a day away. I'm stuck with a day that's gray and lonely, I just stick out my chin and grin and say, the sun will come out tomorrow, so you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Come what may, tomorrow, tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, you're always a day away. Tomorrow, tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, you're always a day
Oke, thank you so much. Sudah, sekarang mau gambar. Kalau mau nyanyi sekali lagi tuh ada yang nonton tuh, ada 2 orang yang nonton. Oh, there's 2 person watching you guys. Mana sini deh?
Sekarang Ibek.
Ibek, mau nyanyi lagu apa?
Ibek punya lagu
Apa? Lagu. Ah, itu. Apa namanya? Kalau mau gambar boleh. Nih, tunjukin kakak, dedek. Mau gambar, ambil ini kertasnya sama apa namanya? Markernya di sebelah. Terus nanti tinggal ditunjukin ke yang nonton.
Oke, nih dia.
Abia itu ini di depan kak.
Ibek mana?
Ibek nanti diambil itunya.
Ibek mau gambar juga. Pasti gambar benang khusus lagi. Tapi dulu Ibek sempet sih belajar bikin segitiga, lingkaran.
Ya oke, good job.
Ini satu. Ibek nggak gambar deh.
Ayo,
Ibek mau nyanyi lagu apa ya?
apa coba?
Dibisikin. Ibek
Kasih
punya
ibu ya.
lagu apa ya?
Kasih ibu ya, boleh nggak? Mau nggak?
Enggak, Ibek nggak ada lagu kasih ibu. Nih, lagu adanya lagu apa? Di kalian kalau kamu mau main unicorn.
Hah?
Lagu.
Apa namanya?
F.
Barongsai.
Duduk di sini deh.
Lagu barongsai, mana ada barongsai?
Sini.
Nah, sini, tunjukin ke teman-teman. Hai teman-teman, aku hari ini mau gambar.
Udah
Tuh pakai
dengar
itunya tuh.
lagu
Paper
barongsai.
clip.
Udah dengar lagu barongsai. Udah dengar lagu barongsai.
Barongsai, gimana lagu barongsai?
Enggak lagu barongsai deh.
Lagu apa?
Lagu anjing.
Anjing. Heli. Heli ya. Heli. Ya. Ayo, kita akan siap. Hi guys. Hey Kak, come on. So today Devanka wants to draw something very cool, ya. Silakan Devanka.
Hi, today I'm going to make
What?
I'm going to draw people in this paper.
In this paper. Okay, go. You have to forget step by step. You have to show it
Okay.
to the audience. Try.
So first, draw letter U like this.
Ay,
Kenapa?
tama tayo.
And then draw a cracking egg effect here. Like this. Whee! And then draw the ears in here and here. Like for example, this thing. And then draw like this on the people. And then just like draw the eyebrows and the eyes. Like for example this. And then draw the nose and the mouth. The nose just simply like you draw comma. Now draw the neck like small U letter. Here. And then draw a rectangle here. Like this. Like this. And then just draw this one, the sleeve. Like, for example, if you want long sleeve, just like this. Like this. So that it's a long sleeve. And then draw a circle here and here, like this. Like this. O letter and O letter. Or circle and circle. Okay? And then like draw pants in here, but if like this, yeah. And then like this, for example. And then, but if the pants reach this one, don't cut it don't cut it, or it will be bad. Like if you cut it and then you draw the legs, it will, the person will be like this, walking like this. So let's try it. Stop. And then draw like the shoes in here and here. Like I'm going to show you an example. There. Like this. This is an example. Stop. Can you please stop it? Like this and this. And if you want it to be a girl, if you want it to be a girl, just draw the hair, like for example this. Boleh. And also you can just draw like this until here and then
Ada berapa orang yang nonton? Nih, Ibek gambar
Tiga.
juga, Ibek. Jangan gangguin ya.
Ini udah bosan, sekarang yang ini.
Ya nanti Ibek kakaknya gambar dulu ya. Ibek gambar di belakang. Ibek.
Mau gambar.
Oh, nggak mau gambar. Tapi jangan gangguin kakak ya.
Pasti mau yang nih.
Ya nanti ya. Udah, kakaknya lagi gambar dulu. Ibek duduk dulu di situ. Oke, jangan ganggu. Silakan. Udah nggak?
Ngomongnya.
Oh,
Tapi
udah.
nanti ngomongnya nggak kedengeran. Tapi ini aja.
Iya nanti. Iya. Terus kan melanjutkan kakak.
Then just if you want to draw a person again, just copy this to others. Like no, I will not help you, but yeah, you already know, right? How to draw it. So now I will not help you. But I'm still going to show you an example. Like also, if you want to decorate the clothes like this, it's okay. It's more better. Oh my god. And then you can also draw a skirt like this. Like that, and yeah, you know, if it's not fit, it's okay. Just do it like this. And now there, it's a girl. Two girls are playing. One is playing basketball. Basketball. Oh my god, my basketball. Bagus. Stop it. Stop. Can you please stop? And then if it's not fit again for one more person, just like draw the line, like for example this. Bola basket. Just draw the line, like for example this. Like this, but like this. Yeah. This around.
Dan sepeda yuk sama Om yuk.
Ayo
Dah, ya.
punya yang itu.
Iya. Yuk.
Oh,
Jadi setelah gambar boleh kegiatan yang lain tapi tetap rekam.
I want to write vertical.
Iya nggak apa-apa. Gambar yang lain juga boleh.
Sambil rekam.
Mau apa?
I want to ride bicycle.
Oh ya udah nanti akhiri.
Okay. And then I'll draw like something in here like cat.
After that we can ride the bicycle to you that.
Okay. There. Like this, and the background. If you want it done like this, just color it. If you're tired drawing like this. If you're not yet tired, so I'll draw more house on the back. There's a bridge going here. Now let's draw the Mr. Sun. Like here I jump. See me? And I need it. I'll draw a sun back on the hills like this. No, this will be okay. Mr. Sun, Mr. Goldie Sun. See this? There's a sun in here. If you think this is already done, just color it. And I'll add some things like oh, going to draw a red panda. Hah? Boleh aja. So, this is how to draw a fox, okay? So first, draw bushes in here. We need to draw bushes for the fox. No, I don't need to draw fox though. Gak apa-apa, gambar apa aja boleh kok. Gak usah bisik juga. Supaya tahu orang mau gambar apa. Use your creativity to draw things. Like, for example, fox, only the head, because the body is under the bushes, under the bushes, under the bushes. This, and let's draw clouds. And draw also wind. It's cloudy day. I think yeah, this is already enough. Like this, it's already enough. So if you want, just color it. I don't have any colored color material, so yeah, I cannot color it. So bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share to your friends.